Hey, welcome everyone. It's Pat Mitchell with TrickTrades here, and in this free video lesson series, I'm going to show you yet another amazing setup that we use each and every day at TrickTrades.com. So, okay, guys. So, a lot of people I find have a problem with focusing, and they end up missing these plays and then if they miss that very first number one opportunity, they stop watching the stock. Don't do that. Okay. A lot of you want to, like I said in the last video lesson, they want to just hit the market open and be done. It doesn't work that way, guys. Okay. If you try and do that, you're gonna watch 50 stocks at the market open, try and nail them all, and you'll end up missing them all. So this is a perfect setup that you can use if you're working a job and you're unable to trade the market open. Like, let's say you're we'll speak in Eastern Standard Time because that's market time. Let's say you can only trade a little bit after between 10 and 11:30. Okay, that's your window. This is a perfect setup for it, guys, so pay attention. So you'll see with market leading stocks, they do this each and every day. That's why we trade stocks like this at TrickTrades. They're extremely predictable. They have extreme range. You can make multiple points on it. Don't ever be afraid of the price of the stock, because you don't need a lot of shares. These things can rip multiple points. Okay, on a good day they can rip 10-20 points. That's the crazy thing with these stocks. Okay, so to get in on something like this, if you miss, now there's a setup right in here that I'll show you in one of my next free video lessons. But if you miss that, what do? Okay, so this is another long setup because some of you aren't familiar with shorting yet. There is a short opportunity up here, but we're going to show you another long setup, and this one has to do with the VWAP again. Now, not all of our setups have to do with the VWAP, but a lot of them are. It's such a great indicator, and I don't use many indicators, but the VWAP is one that I will put a lot of weight into. You guys, if you don't have it on your charts yet, you need to. It's extremely important. Basically, what the VWAP is the volume weighted average price. And it started out as a lot of people say it's a hedge fund. It's actually a hedge fund indicator. It's not. It's actually started out as a mutual fund indicator. And that basically the long story short, the VWAP lets you know whether traders are above water or underwater in their positions, meaning they're either green on the average trader in the stock at that moment on that day is green on their P&L or red on their P&L. When it's above the VWAP, the price action, their P&L on average, the traders are green. Okay, if it's below, on average, they are below. So that kind of gives you an indicator, right, of what way the stock is going to go. Because if the majority of traders are green on it, it's going to continue to be green. Okay, and once it breaks that VWAP, it's really hard for people to want to hold on. They want to get out, and they'll get out around the VWAP. Okay, so with these stocks, what they do is they'll usually pick a direction up or down within the first 5 minutes, and that's what Facebook did. It picked a direction, and it ripped. Okay, so it took off. Let's say you couldn't get in. You were either too scared or it didn't give you proper risk reward. That's fine. Wait for the safe setup, guys. So it pops up and then it pulls back nice and slow to the VWAP. Okay. Now, I like it when it's right at the VWAP. We were watching this one at TrickTrades in chat, and I called it out. I said, right in here, it's coming down to the VWAP. I said I didn't like it yet, okay, because I wanted it at the VWAP. These stocks, the reason why it gets driven right back down to the VWAP is because all the hedge funds and institutional traders, they have buy orders and they have sell orders. So way up here, they got a bunch of sell orders from their investors, mainly people that want in and want out. So people want out, they want to take some profits. So they drive the price down because they have the volume in the stock to be able to drive the price down. So they work the stock back down. Slowly, slowly, slowly. And once they get it to the VWAP or around the VWAP, they have a bunch of buy orders. And the best price that you're going to be able to get is at the VWAP. So that's why it bounces back up. You need to have faith in the VWAP. It's very sound, guys. It's extremely sound. So I didn't like the trade here yet. I told people that. I told them to wait till it actually hit the VWAP, and it did. You can see now it's hard to tell, guys. Trading is about the subtleties, okay? And no, this isn't hindsight. This was all called out live, guys, and we hit this at TrickTrades. Now you can see it starts rounding just ever so slightly right here. It's slight, guys. It's slight, but it's there, okay? Once it starts doing that, it's putting in higher highs, or sorry, higher lows on the 1 minute time frame, okay? And it starts popping up. So right in here, you can take the trade right in this area. You could have taken it here as well, that's fine, and then risked off lows, but right here it put in a slightly higher low, okay? So take it there, risk off lows, and ride it up. Guys, this is easy money. It really is. These are trades that we call out each and every day at TrickTrades. It's easy money, and you have defined risk. Okay, you had 17-cent risk, so 20-cent risk on a $188 stock, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. Some people say you got to play these stocks with points of risk. No, you don't. They're trading them wrong. They're trading them like monkeys, okay? All you need is 10, 20 cents, 30 cents, and you're good to go. And I will gladly risk 20 cents to make a point day in, day out. It's over a 3-to-1, guys. And what did it do? It kept riding up. So once it approaches, how do we take profits on this? Okay, so once it approaches the next resistance area, which is high of day, pull some profits. Take half. You just killed it, guys, right? Now you can see what it does, all right? So it keeps kind of coming up, and it's putting in higher highs. Now it put in a lower high, okay? A slightly lower high / double top. You could look to get out there. You should probably strip off most of your position, and you could have sold at the end of day push, or if you want, just take it off. You killed the trade, right? Don't worry about trying to capture the entire move. Don't worry about that. All right. So this VWAP tag after the first rip, and then it pulls back, you'll see these. Go ahead. Look at the daily chart and take a look at Baba, Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, Facebook, Twitter, Intel, Microsoft, AMD. AMD is usually a pretty slow mover, but it's getting some momentum right now, so definitely check that out. MU's really good right now. So watch the market leading stocks, guys. I mean, they're easy traders. Why would you want to trade something that's hard, right? This is easy money. It's easy money. There's a reason why I make the money I make day trading. It's free fucking money, guys. Take it, right? So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. The next video in the video lesson series on setups is actually going to be on the daily chart and how to really set your watch list and develop a trading plan. So make sure to stay tuned for that, and we'll have that up for you right away. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to check out TrickTrades.com. Love y'all. Adios.